ooh, she's an outfit repeater. Yeah, I'm actually filming 3 videos in a row. But hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, guys, this has been long awaited, but we are finally going to be unboxing my spring Fabfitfun box. You guys want to see what I got in here, what my thoughts are on this, and will I continue to renew it? Well, definitely keep on watching. Alrighty, so I think this is the last box in my paid, because I paid for the year subscription last year. So I think this is my last paid for box. I believe it was $179 that I paid for all 4 boxes. It's actually completely worth it. When I did the choice customizations, I think I picked this, I want to say sometime in early January. It just takes so long for them to ship it out and for it to get here that by the time it gets here, I legit do not remember what I got in this box. If you guys don't know, I did at least one point had a discount code that never actually worked. But if you guys use code Allie or like Jen Loves Reviews or Alexander Ryan, like I know they have like discount codes, and I believe it's like $10 off your first box. This is a quarterly box, so every quarter you do get like a spring, summer, fall, winter box. And if you just want to pay for the box just each time, then it's $49.99. But if you use one of their codes, then it's $39.99. Or you could do what I did, where I just paid for the yearly subscription, which was $179.99, and you get like the top picks. You get to pick first, and they're supposed to send out your boxes before anybody else, but I feel like it just never happens that way. But regardless, I'm excited to see what we got in here. I know that a lot of times they give a lot of makeup options. I tend to stay away from makeup options because I legit just want to try stuff that's non-makeup related. Okay, so first thing I see in here is stickers. I don't get the point of putting stickers inside subscription boxes. Like, I just don't get it. Like, well, what use do I have for this? Unless I put like on journals. But I mean, that's cool if someone likes it. I personally I feel like it's just wasted paper for me because I never end up using it, and then I feel bad because it just gets recycled. So I'm like, ugh. Okay, so as always, Fabfitfun always puts in a magazine in here, and there's stuff in here where they tell you stories and how to use stuff and yada yada, stuff that I never end up reading. I'm only ever interested in the first pages right here, so I can know what I'm getting in my box, what I could have gotten, and what other people might have gotten as well. This is what interests me, and not everything else. Everything else I'm just kind of like, oh, cool. What did I get? First things first, we have Bloomingville Ever-Changing Homes. I think these are coasters. I think this is 3D, which is Bloomingville woven seagrass coasters. Place your drinks and cocktails on these seagrass coasters with white cotton stitching. Retails for $35. Oh my god, this is super cute. And this is a customization that all members got to pick. So I believe I picked this for myself. And if I did, I don't remember picking it, but I mean, hey, go me. Okay, so these are the coasters right here. Oh my god, these are actually cute. I'm not gonna lie, these are really cute. That's so cool. It kind of goes with the theming in my house. I have a very like plant-based wooden theme. I'm very like woodsy, rustic. Like that's my vibe. If I could live in the woods, oh my god, I would totally live in the woods if I could. But these are super, super cute. $35 for 4 of them is really not a bad price. I think you can get a set of coasters at Target for 4 around $20, $25 depending on what you're looking at. So that's awesome. Alrighty, go me. Okay, so next we have slippers. So these are splendid fox fur slippers in crystal pink. Step into these cozy fox fur slippers for the ultimate comfort. Retails for $48. So I believe I picked these for myself. Ooh, let's try these out. Look at these slippers. Look at these slippers. Okay, that's actually really cute. I'm gonna wear these on my feet right now because why not? These are open toe slippers, so these are kind of like tripping me out a little bit. But I actually do like house slippers. I don't wear them that often, but sometimes I do. And then like I know you can like wear them outside. I just forget to wear them outside because I'm like, oh my god, they're gonna get dirty. But okay, cool. Alrighty, I got my first pair of slippers from Fabfitfun actually. Okay, so next we have Camp Collection. What are you? What the heck is this? A basketball hoop? What is this? 5B. Annual members get to pick from 4 to 5 customizations. Otherwise, we'll choose the best option for you. So 5B is Camp Collection Dip Dye Mark Tote. Use this adorable reusable tote to haul your groceries, $25. So I know me, and I did not pick this. I didn't pick this. So, okay. I don't know if I'd ever use this for groceries. Maybe I can use this as like a little beach bag or like a little pool day bag. Like it's like a really nice pool at my complex. Maybe I can use this to put like sunblock in, my keys, my phone, and just kind of carry with my towel. That actually might be really beneficial. So, okay, cool. Alrighty. Free beach bag. I'm excited. Alrighty, next we have a Sorbus Cosmetics Organizer Case. So this is 4A. This is keep your lipsticks, concealers, and makeup brushes in one piece. Thanks, this organizer retails for $30. Oh, sweet. Aw, this is cute. I really like the sunflowers. Oh my God, this is so cute. All right, awesome. I'm gonna have to like reorganize this desk. I could have it sitting right here and maybe put like my favorite products right in here. Oh, that's so cute. Alrighty, go me. Okay, so next we have, oh, this is so pretty. Oh, this is a rose gold. This is a rose gold watch. This retails right here. This is the Monroe Classic Watch in Sunburst Soul Rose. Strap on this timeless watch for a sophisticated look. Retails for $105. Holy shit. She's gonna be bougie today. I mean, typically I wear my Apple Watch, but she's charging. So we're just going to place this right here. Nice. I'm gonna be looking like Jaclyn Hill up in here with my $105 watch. Woo! Look who's fabulous and rich now. Okay, but it actually really is a super pretty watch. I'm not gonna lie. I do love anything rose gold. So I think it's super pretty. And I'm like a little bouginess. I love it. Okay, that's exciting. Okay, so next I got a box. What we got in the box? 7B. Pink Sky Cactus Sipper Cup. Take your liquids to go with this reusable cactus-shaped cup. $20. I didn't realize that I was getting a kid toy. Why would they think I like this? All right, and last but not least, we have a Be Yourself Incredible Self with Nails Inc. London. This is nail polish in Mayfair Lane. Give yourself a pale pink mani in the comfort of your own home, $15. This was picked for me by Fabfitfun, as was that kid cup picked for me by Fabfitfun. So here we are. All right, so let me go ahead and add up the value of the box, look at everything else, and I'll be right back, guys. Okay, so I added up the value of my box, and my value was $278. So overall, what are my thoughts on this box? It's okay. Honestly, it's okay. I'm not as excited as I have been about previous unboxings. I feel like some of the items that they give you choices of just really isn't the best items. Like, I'm sorry, some people may be like upset, but the cactus cup, like, why would I want a cactus? Like, why would I want a cactus cup for like $20? Like, it's like a cheap plastic cup that just takes up space in your cabinet. It turns into junk for me, so I definitely wouldn't utilize that. The nail polish, oh, that's okay. The tote bag, I can utilize that for the beach and the pool. That's awesome. The makeup organizer, I like that one a lot. I think this watch is really cool. And the coasters and the slippers, I am excited about those. But there's some of the items on here. You see some MAC products in here. You see some brushes. You see some yoga stuff. You see some makeup bags. Just like this really cool plant thing that I didn't see when I got to pick. A tote bag. So, I don't know. It's really cool. Like, I do really like getting Fabfitfun. Like, you know, it's always a surprise what you may or may not get. But this was definitely not my most exciting box. Not my favorite. But I think I'll see what the potential spoilers are going to be for the summer season, and maybe we'll decide whether or not we're going to keep it. But yeah, I'm not mad, but I'm not like, oh my God, this is awesome either. I'm just kind of like, oh, okay, well, you know, thanks for some of the cool stuff. I appreciate it. So yeah, guys, that is it for today's video, guys. If you guys like this video, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post 3 to 4, mostly 5 times a week. Please make sure you guys head over to my other channel. It's R for Life. You guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures, my amazing husband, Corey. And a huge, huge thank you to all these beautiful Patreon members that you guys see right here. Thank you guys so much for all your love and support. I appreciate each and every single one of you. And to you guys, thank you guys so much for being here. Whether you guys liked this video, you guys thumbed down this video, you guys subscribed, you guys didn't subscribe, either way, thank you guys so much for being here. I appreciate each and every single one of you. So with that said, guys, I love you, and I'll see you guys very next video. Bye. My string, and typically this is a bi-monthly box, so or at least it's an annual. Okay. Place it, place it, place it. And with my 150, God.